COVID sucks, man.
I know.
It is what it is.
But hopefully one day we'll come back. Hey, do you want to do an episode and cook it up?
Right now?
Like, immediately.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Adults are boring.
Ow!
I'm Beverly. I came from the Philippines, as you know, and I've been working in the hotel or in the cooking industry for more than 10 years. And as of now, I constantly work at one of the biggest hotel in Vancouver, from Pacific Rim. Yay! So adobo. Most of you have heard it, most of you had it, but what basically is adobo? Adobo is a Spanish word, comes from adobar, which means to marinate. But don't be mistaken about the Spanish adobo seasoning, because it's very different from it. So basically, adobo comes from the pre-colonial era when Spaniards invaded the Philippines, and they named the dish. They saw it, somebody was cooking it, and they just named it adobo. But even before that, Filipinos have been cooking adobo before the Spanish came to the Philippines. There are three kinds of adobo, which is the white adobo, which is just not using any soy sauce. A second one would be the dark adobo, which is using soy sauce. And the third adobo, which is usually they use it from the south, is the yellow adobo, which uses turmeric. But for today, we're gonna be using the dark adobo, which is my skin color. Can I say that? So to make the adobo dish, you would need chicken thighs, some vegetable oil, some fish sauce, some vinegar, soy sauce, some onion, peppercorn, bay leaf, garlic, and ginger. First thing we need to do is cut the onion in half, and when cutting the onion, make sure you cut on the flatter side and cut it in julienne. Second is slice the ginger. Crush the garlic and take the peel off, and roughly chop the garlic. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sear the chicken. Add canola oil to the pot. Sear the chicken thighs skin side down, and make sure don't overcrowd the pot when searing the chicken thighs. And then flip the other side, and then sear it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then repeat the process on the remaining chicken thighs. Now we're gonna sear all the aromatics for the onion, garlic, and ginger, and cook them until they're slightly brown. Now we're gonna put back the chicken thighs and include the juice as well. Then we're adding some peppercorns, some fish sauce, soy sauce, and a little bit of water just to help it simmer down. Close your lid and braise it for about 45 minutes.
How have you been?
Not too bad.
Huh?
Yeah, still working. How about you?
Not working. Like, at least not working in the kitchen.
Do you miss the kitchen though?
Yeah. Remember that walk-in fridge that we have?
Oh yeah, the walk-in fridge. I do.
I'm just wondering if we had a container, how many liters of tears would we fill with our tears?
Well, that's a good question. Because probably half of it is from you and the rest is from everybody else.
Damn!
Masarap.
Thank you so much. That dish was amazing. Like, it was honestly like, I couldn't believe like the ingredients and the result that came out. It was so good. Like, thank you.
Thank you. Now you know how to make adobo.
Well, I don't know about that, but yeah, I know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching. شكرا متابعتكم. هذا صحن جاي من الفلبين ولازم تجربوه صراحة. مرة سهل تسووه. يعني
Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana subaybayan niyo ulit kami. So, hanggang sa susunod.
I think it's very important that you guys try it. It's really delicious. Like, really simple ingredients, but so good. Like, amazing.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
It's a wrap, everybody.
See you guys. Stay tuned.
Ciao.
Boom.
I knew it.
Go into the shot. Go into the shot.
Come in. Come in.
Come in.
Bev, what are you doing here? Did you go back in time? Who's this?
Say bye, everybody.
Boom.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Look at the camera,
Camera.
right there.
See you guys.
Say maraming salamat.